How to buy meme coins on Phantom Wallet. So there are multiple types of meme coins in Phantom Wallet, including the Trump one, Melania, Bonk, SPX, WIF, Pingu, Fartcoin, and many more. As you can see here, you have a lot of options, even in Solana FM. So these are the ways on how you can buy or trade your meme coins. So first thing you want to do is obviously download your Phantom Wallet account and set up your wallet, and then add funds to your Phantom wallet. Then log into your Phantom wallet account. And then you can go and select in the app called the swap button and choose a token, example a Solana or a USDT. Then you want to use that in the swap version. So you're basically swapping your cryptocurrency for the meme coins. So next is select the drop down menu in the your usage section. And then either paste the CA of the meme coin or type its name into the address bar or the search bar. Then after selecting the meme coin, you can now finalize your swap. And here's where you can also share your meme coins with your friends and family. So you can open a Phantom account, click and search select a meme coin, click the share button, copy the link, and send the link to your preferred app, such as your messenger and anything websites or platforms that you can use and message with. And that is how you can buy or trade meme coins on Phantom Wallet.